European cars here. Then saw this bad boy. Yeah.
Truck yeah.
Actually, we were listening to Truck Yeah yesterday. My wife and I got into this discussion about country music and how I feel about it, with the exception of that song. And we began to play it and sing it. And then she's like, okay, you can turn it off. I'm like, I can't turn it off. It's gonna grow.
Is that just all in a shield?
No, this is the fuel lines that gotta come off, and then I'm gonna take the shield off and then everything else. I'm not sure where the hole is. It was back there, so I don't know if it's where he's got like a little.
He's got a plug on the side
Yeah.
here. His co-worker put in for him. I think it's right here in the side where they drilled it.
Yeah, that might. Yeah, I think that's where it's been continuously.
So this is a 2022 F350 Power Stroke diesel 4x4 extra cab long bed with an extended range 85-gallon fuel tank on it. The reason we're changing the tank is because some tweaker got underneath it, drilled a hole right in the side of that tank there. That plug is something temporary the customer put in there, but it wasn't going to hold, it was just leaking, so we're getting the new tank to put in it. Not fun, not a fun job for the customer. I kind of hope that whoever did this ends up just getting run over by a vehicle. Seems like an appropriate way for them to go.
She's a big girl. Boy. It does not feel pleasant. Got torch bolts on it.
Torch bolts?
Bolts.
Torch? Well, we got another one out there to do after this. It was a gasoline. That's how it goes.
Really? So I need to make the other side look the same.
You know?
Dang.
Where are you going to replace one?
Gonna go about here where it's the easiest to weld. Both of these two and two mufflers. Tailpipes still look good enough.
It's complete and total fluke that I know about this truck. Back in 2003, I worked at a shop called Austin's Promax in Tacoma, and for Sunset Chevrolet, we did SS conversions on a limited amount of Chevy 1500s. They were called the SS 5300s. The easiest way to recognize these trucks is by the tailpipes or the exhaust tips on them. These trumpet exhaust tips, Pat had these made custom in China or somewhere for Sunset Chevrolet, and they were the only ones that got these tips. They were cast and they last forever. That's how I recognized this truck when I came in. The customer called, said, I have the truck, I need a muffler for it, but I don't know what it is because everybody says they didn't have an SS in 2003. And they're right, they didn't, but it was just completely dumb luck that I happened to recognize this truck. They also have a 4-core aluminum radiator as well as a true dual exhaust. That was the only things that made him SS. The striping kits were hand done by a guy named Terry who owned Fine Line Pinstriping. He's now retired and that company's out of business, but that's a brief little history on this truck.
I broke it now. Cheap knockoff.
Anybody got 3 singles on them?
I work for Stingray.
So you only have hundreds?
Huh?
So you only have hundreds?
Oh, yeah.
Nope.
Just need more of these. That one's over there, but that's too short. 90. Measure once, cut twice. Hell no. Work for Stingray. 1045, yeah. Okay, if I mess up, I have another piece.
That's huge. Came with new hangers too, right?
A couple of them.
Jesus Christ. Don't think it's big enough.
Oh no, it's gotta go all the way around.
I gotta go around it. I'm just balancing.
Try to hit what's between these two bends and get it the right rotation.
Yeah, you know, and some internet people, I'm sure, are going to make comments like, oh, your bender crushed a pipe because it's not bend real bent. Well, this is not a $100,000 show car, and we don't have a $70,000 bender. We've got an $8,000 bender, and this is just fine for what it is. It looks great to me.
The tailpipes, this one really,
Got a little bend in it.
well, just the way they routed it, it doesn't give me much wiggle room compared to.
No, they
Yeah.
didn't do a great job on those tailpipes.
Oh yeah, they shouldn't have went so far out on this one because here I put a zip tie for the brake hose.
Yeah.
So when the vehicle's down on the ground, it's definitely going to be
Yeah, you can see it's been burning through for a while for the cable, e-brake cable.
e-brake cable. And look at this.
All right on the fuel tank too. Amateur. Well, I see they way overthought their hangers too.
Yeah.
I mean,
Even I don't go that nuts.
yeah, this is a bit much here. Like, and the funny part is this side one, it's not doing anything.
No.
Like 3 hangers into one.